task login screen. So in the login screen, we have some predefined username and the password. And when we will give the username and the password, we will be able to log in over there. And it will show. And also it will show what it will show. Now previously we have created one home screen. It will, if the password is correct, it will go to the home screen. If the password is not correct, it will give one error message. So that's our target. So as you know, we use block coding in the Thunkable. Moax, if you have some query, something you can always ask.
Okay.
Mm. So next is, so if I run this one, how it will come? See, this is the login. So if I give, suppose my name I am giving Indrani and password I am giving something, login, login failed because this is not the username and the password. So I'm going back to the edit. Let me check what is. So there are two views are over there. One is the design view, one is the blog view. So you click on the blog view, you can see the code. So the pass username is admin and the password is root. So if I give, then it will run. Okay, so what we are doing is that I am running this one and then I am typing admin, I am typing root. See, it came to the another window. From login screen, it came to the another window. Okay, the new app. Okay, so new project name, coding, click on create. Okay, so first what I need to do is that I need two text box for the login screen, right? So this side you have the component window. What are the components are over there? So I need to add component. So first one is the text input. One text input. I need two text input. One is the for the username and one is for the password. I need one button. Now this is not coming sequentially. I will correct all this thing. First let me drag and drop what are the things I need. I need two text box, one button and one label for the error message and another label for the heading. Done. Okay, so now first thing is that I need a heading, the login screen. I want to give one heading. So you go over here, like you are asking that the means how can I do this one top of the, it is very difficult over here. What you can do is that instead of doing it from this particular window, you can do it from this particular panel. So first I am using the log label 1. So under screen 1, you can see the label 1. Now I need to change this one. So label 1, I need to change the uh, label 1. Now students, label 1 is the variable name. There are two parts are there. One is the variable part and one is the value part. So label 1 is a variable. Label 1 is the container. You may or may not change the label 1. I am not changing the label 1 heading, but the text I am changing, the value part. It is written label. So instead of that, I will write login screen. I write login screen, right? And then I font size I can increase. Suppose I am giving font size 30. So it will come like this. Color, if I want color, I can change. Background color, if I want, I can change the background color. Font style, if I want to change, I can normal italics I can do. I'm not doing that one. I can make it bold or more than that. Okay. But it will not come here. That's a big problem. So how to sort out this problem? For that, students, are you getting? Hello? So for that, what I will do is that from here, okay, let me keep it simple thing. I'm not using showing layout today. So let it be over here, login screen. I can do this thing. I can do the margin thing. I can give padding 10, button 10 I can give. So login screen is done. Once the login screen is done, next what I need to do is that I need to make it username and I need to do the password. So how to do that part? Username and the password part. So again I select this one. Once you select this one, here you write hint user name or you write enter username. Enter username. This one is for the password. So now we need to uh, after level 1 there will be username. So let it be like this. Let me write enter username, enter password. Okay, so this is done. Now I need to give some space. So what I will do, I will select this one and I will give the padding. I will change the padding. Margin I will give top margin 10. If you want, you can give more. Suppose I'm giving 100. So it will come like this. Button I need suppose 10 only. So gap is there. Fine. For this one, password. If you're fine with this, only the bottom margin I need to give. I need to give 10. So spacing is done. Now what I need to do is that I need to pull this up button. So from here you put it over here. So button has come also. Space, I think space is given enough. Now this particular label is for the this label 2 is for the confirmation, means the whether the password is correct or not. So for this what I need to do is that need to give some space. So I will give padding margin 10, top margin, and label what I can write, login status. Here text I can write. I can keep it blank and later it will be visible. That I can do. Or just I can write the login status, whatever means you want. And you can change the color and all those things. It's your wish which color you will give. Okay. Button, button text, submit, done. So I have done with the designing the screen. Designing screen is done, right? So once I complete the designing part, now I need to write the code. So how to write the code? What are the things I need to do? So first thing is that if I click this, something will happen. So we need to follow the code we have done it before. Okay. So if you go back to the PPT, now you see what we have done, what we are doing it over here. So when we click the login button, something will happen. What will happen? It will show the login status level is, means if it is correct, then it will do this part, but if it is false, then it will do this. So let us first try this part. So when login button click, it will show the level login authenticated login pass or login fail. So let us do only this part. So go back over here. I will go to the block portion. Once I go to the block portion, then I have to go to the control. Okay. So I need to go for when button click. When so control logic. So this is the logic control. So first I click on the button 1. Once I click on the button 1 and then this one I will drag and drop. So when button 1 click, what will happen? So now the logic I have to put over here. So I am taking control. If I will take this one, I will go to control. I will do the if and else part, right? So this. So when button 1 click this. So now if you go back to the PPT, what we have done, then this particular logging status level will be set to one particular thing. This login status level, that means the logging confirmation one. So how to bring this one? Okay, so go back over here. So click on label 2, this one. This, you can copy this one. So label 2 set text to, if the if so you can copy this one, then you can paste. So now if it correct, then something will happen. If false, then something will happen. But if what it is correct, that part I need to do. So how to do this part? So what I need to do, I need to check the username and the password, right? So I need to check